Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Minimap Capture Pro plugin into the Unreal Engine 5. The first thing to do is to copy the Minimap Capture Pro plugin files into the Unreal Engine 5 plugins directory. And here I will make a directory. Let's call it Minimap Capture Pro. Paste the files. And now you're good to go. The Unreal Engine will be aware of this plugin the next time it starts. Now, the next thing is to copy a template project that came with the Unreal Engine 5 so you can test and see how the plugin works. I will pick the top-down blueprint, but feel free to test any of these templates that you can find in the templates directory. And with this template copied, I will open the project. For this demo, I will use Unreal Engine 5.4, but in the future, other versions will be used. Unreal Engine 5 versions, probably newer and older. And now that the project is open, the first thing to do is to enable the plugin. Let's restart. Let's make one more check to see if this plugin is loaded. Here it is. Now, this is an important step. I will show you how you can find the plugin. It is located inside the engine plugins folder. And what you need here is to drag the Minimap Capture blueprint inside your scene. This blueprint basically should represent where you want to make the capture on your map. And it will automatically resize to capture your entire map. Note that it can also be used to capture a specific chunk of your map. Now that we have specified where we want the capture to happen in our map, we need to open the Plugins tool panel. The tool will ask for what capture area to be used, and it will show you a list of buttons of all your capture blueprints in your map. Currently, it's just showing one example, one button, because we have only one blueprint to capture in our map. The second thing the tool asks is to save the map with this capture blueprint in it. So go ahead and click Save Level. Now this is the panel that most of the work for configuring how to generate the texture captures happen. I will explain the functionality more thoroughly of what you will see in this panel in a different video. For now, what we'll have to do is to create a directory inside your project of where these captures will be added. Now also set into the panel this capture path of the newly added directory. And the path will also show in here. The next thing to do in order to create a simple capture is to select the type of layer to add and then click on the button to its left. What you will see is that the panel now has added this direct render layer and all its settings will be shown in here in the panel. For now, the defaults will suffice. So proceed to click the capture button that will commence the capturing process. Great. You probably noticed that there is a new texture visible in that directory in the content browser. And with this, our demo tutorial that showcases how to simply use this plugin is completed.